Still finishing my frozen dinner.
I've been going out there for hours.
Maybe like half an hour?
Oh no! Oh, you can't even see it, it's out of focus. Hey. Don't mind me.
Just having a day out at Disneyland?
I'm trying to find my magic band. Does anyone know where my magic band is?
Waiting for my wife to come out the toilet.
Rapunzel! Rapunzel! Let down your hair! No, you freak! Oh my god, what a mess. Haunted mansion. Oh.
Looks like a long queue.
Dun, 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 dun.
35 minutes. It's 11:21. We'll see how long this took.
Grim grinning ghost come out to socialise.
It's the last little bit, so.
Do you think Eddie Murphy's in here somewhere?
Eddie Murphy?
So can you pull that face?
What?
I can't tell the difference.
Look at you.
I mean, it's blowing stuff at us. You broke something.
Forward now, others are dying to join you.
Our tour begins. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors.
And marble busts of the greatest ghost writers, the literary mansion. Actually, we have 990.
Let there be music from regions beyond.
My sunglasses broke and I'm struggling to keep my eyes open. It's so bright and I can't see. He's fine with my sunglasses.
Hey.
Mine. They're girls from Primark.
Beautiful, aren't they?
Right.
What do you want to do?
We are going. Where are you going? Why aren't you coming with me?
Oh.
We are going somewhere. Maybe to the Hall of Presidents. It's so bright.
The Hall of President's been any good?
I don't know.
Or should we go Pirates?
Where is Pirates?
Pirates over there.
Sorry.
It's also, one sec.
We're not so bright now, James fixed it.
let's just go in.
Alright, we're going to Hall of Presidents.
Let's see what Trump looks like.
Yeah.
15 children with 2 wives. Now, he has a son, Lyons Gardner Tyler, at the age of 68. Lyons Tyler has a son at the age of 70. His name, Harrison Tyler.
Where are you going to sit?
Yeah, I'm gonna sit here.
You going all the way or?
Liberty to all our people. Above all, to be American is to be an optimist, to believe that we can always do better, and that the best days of our great nation.
Look, that's creepy. That is so scary.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god. It's gonna be the creepiest character. Turn around.
Turn around. Oh.
My goodness.
I can't get on board with that.
Country Bed Jamboree. I'm not a fan of that.
That last time was the biggest waste of time ever. We went in because
Some people probably like it though.
Yeah, they probably do, but we went in because we were curious. We wish we never did.
So, whoa, so there's 8 minutes until the next show.
You can. We're going to Splash Mountain.
Yes.
It's like 55-minute queue, but that's fine.
What do you think of Hall of Presidents?
It was good. The animatronics are amazing.
I always like it when Lincoln
I could have easily fallen asleep. To be fair.
Oh.
Nice aircon.
Sid's too frightened to go near this thing. She's fine to dressed up people. Aren't you, Sid?
Like that thing.
It's freaking you out?
I'm a bit scared of dressed up people to start with, so even meeting Mickey Mouse is a little bit of a big deal for me.
Oh no!
That, sorry, I can't get on board with him.
We're going to eat here after we've been on our second fast pass of the day, which is?
Big Thunder Mountain. So we're
yeah.
going to do Splash Mountain, then Big Thunder Mountain.
Speaking of Splash
and then
Mountain.
we need to do Space Mountain later. Third and final mountain.
Splash Mountain.
Anybody pass my
And prepare for spectacular battles for food.
Oh, it smells like food. Oh no! Where are we? It's all wet. Over here. Wow, there's round in the wilderness.
Second fast pass. I'm working on a railroad.
Oh, the long day.
What are we doing after this?
Eating.
Should we go to Taco Bill's, wherever it's called, in Frontierland?
Wherever.
Yes, please. I want some chips in my belly. Chips in my belly.
Chip.
What kind of chip I expect?
You want it fried. But to be fair, this is blue such.
Look at, honestly, look at the size of it.
I thought if I ordered nachos, I'd be jealous of the burger. But these look amazing. I have James's sunglasses on now, and he's got his other pair. Because it's so blimmin' bright.
Because you broke yours?
Yeah, I've told them that I broke mine. But a little girl just walked past and said she saw a cloud shaped like Mickey, so we were looking for the cloud and we found it. Yeah, it looks like Mickey, but with a... Actually, it looks more like a heart now. It's moved a little bit. But yeah. Oh, nice.